From the Stone Age to the digital age, humanity has thrived by adapting to change. Societies evolved, economies shifted, and technology transformed how we live, work, and connect. Agility is more than speed. It is the ability to respond, adapt, and grow in the face of uncertainty. The world is complex, unpredictable, and fast-changing. Only those who embrace agility will thrive. When the world was shaken by COVID-19, we responded by wearing masks. We adapted by shifting to remote work, and we thrived by accelerating digital transformation. To be agile, you must think differently and act differently. Just like SpaceX challenged the impossible by making rockets reusable, breaking the myth that space travel must be expensive. At Business Agility Tune-Up, we help individuals, teams, and organizations embrace new ways of thinking, working, and innovating. We do not stop at culture change. We partner with you as co-pilots, guiding transformation in culture, structure, strategy, and execution. In an unpredictable world, agility is not an option, it is a necessity. If you want to shape the future, you must adapt faster, think smarter, and innovate boldly. Embrace Agile. Tune into Business Agility Tune-Up.